What is Spring Boot and why should I learn it? Today I'm going to explain what Spring Boot is, why it exists, and most importantly, why learning it can be a game changer for your career. Let's start with the Spring framework because to truly understand Spring Boot, you need to know where it comes from. Spring is one of the most popular framework for building Java applications. Think of it like a toolbox. It has everything you need to build scalable enterprise grade applications, and it's modular, meaning you can pick and choose the components you need. These modules are broadly categorized into a few different layers. At the core, we have a models for handling dependency injections and managing objects. I know that might sound confusing, but trust me, I have covered this in depth in Spring Boot. It's not as complicated as it sounds. In the web layer, we have models for building web application. With these, we can handle HTTP request, process data, and return responses. Whether it's HTML for a web page or JSON for an API. In the data layer, these are models for working with databases. Whether you are using SQL, NoSQL, or even in-memory databases. There's also a model for adding cross-cutting features like logging and security without clustering your main code. This is called AOP or aspects-oriented programming. We also have Spring Test for testing Spring components. By the way, the Spring framework is just one part of large family of projects in the Spring ecosystem. These projects extend the framework capability to handle specific needs. For example, Spring Data simplifies data access. Spring Security adds authentication and authorization to your application. Spring Batch handles batch processing. Spring Cloud helps build microservices and distributed system. Spring Integration simplifies messaging and integration between systems. So yes, Spring is amazing, but it comes with a catch. It requires a lot of setup. For instance, if you want to build a web application, you might need to set up a web server, configure routing, and manage dependencies manually. That can slow down development and make things more complex. And that's exactly why Spring Boot was created. Spring Boot is layer on top of Spring that removes all the painful setup. Think of it like this. If Spring is a toolbox, Spring Boot is pre-assembled workstation. Instead of spending hours setting things up, you can just start coding. It comes with sensible default, auto configuration, and embedded servers, so you can go from idea to working application in just a minute. That's why Spring Boot is one of the most widely used Java frameworks in the industry. Major companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Google rely on it to build scalable applications. And because of that, Spring Boot developers get paid really well. According to the Glassdoor, Spring Boot developers earn between $60,000 and $3 lakhs per year, which is huge. So, if you are a Java developer, learning Spring Boot can open up better job opportunities and higher salaries. And by the way, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe because I post coding tutorials all the time. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.